June 3, 2 o'clock. They're doing something here at the terminal. I heard they're renovating it. Since there's no signage as to what they want to do, it's like I guess it'll be a surprise once they're done. So they're doing the Jollibee renovation. They're doing the terminal renovation. I heard that they may remove the terminal because it's not generating enough revenue for the public utility vehicle and the mall. So I don't know how long this project is. So from what I heard, they're going to put a big roof, whatever that roof is. So this is the terminal. It's shrinking. Thanks for watching.